Most of your factory shocks and struts on most cars are good to at least 100,000 miles, if not further. A lot of places will, so you'll have a problem with your tires, like the scalloping of the tires where they gets a rough tread on your tires. They say, oh, your shocks are shot. It's like 99% of the time is not because of shocks. It's either because of a rotation issue or alignment issues. They're very simple to test a shock and a strut. It's a simple bounce test. If it passes the test, then they're generally good. You do a bounce test and test drive the car. If they're not like completely stiff, or as long as they got give to them, but they don't allow the vehicle to continue to bounce, then they're good, and they're not leaking. And so, it's just a visual, a bounce test, and a test drive. It's pretty simple.